Finding inspiration for woodworking projects can be an exhilarating process, particularly when drawing from the rich and diverse world of wood furniture. The beauty of wood lies not only in its natural aesthetics, but also in the craftsmanship and creativity that can be applied to create functional art. As you embark on your woodworking journey, immersing yourself in the various styles, techniques, and stories behind wood furniture can ignite inspiration and guide your project to fruition. To begin, it is essential to understand the significance of wood as a material. The unique qualities of wood, such as its grain patterns, textures, and colors, play a pivotal role in the overall design and appeal of furniture. Each type of wood possesses its own characteristics, which can influence the direction of your project. For instance, oak is known for its durability and prominent grain, while walnut boasts rich, deep hues and a luxurious feel. Familiarizing yourself with these characteristics can help you choose the right wood for your project and inspire design ideas that highlight the inherent beauty of the material. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of random wood furniture and decor ideas to inspire your next woodworking project. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. One effective way to gather inspiration is by exploring different styles of wood furniture. Historical and contemporary designs can provide a wealth of ideas for your own creations. For example, the elegance of mid-century modern furniture, characterized by clean lines and organic forms, offers insights into how simplicity can create striking pieces. The balance of function and form in these designs can inspire you to create something that is not only visually appealing, but also practical for everyday use. Similarly, the rustic charm of farmhouse furniture can evoke feelings of nostalgia and warmth, inspiring projects that emphasize natural finishes and handcrafted elements. Visiting local furniture shops, antique stores, or even online marketplaces can expose you to a myriad of styles and craftsmanship. Observing how different pieces are constructed, the joinery techniques used, and the finishing touches applied can spark ideas for your own woodworking endeavors. Take note of what resonates with you, whether it's the curves of a chair, the simplicity of a table, or the intricate details of a cabinet. This observation process can lead you to discover particular elements that you want to incorporate into your own project. Additionally, studying the works of renowned woodworkers can serve as a significant source of inspiration. Many master woodworkers have developed unique styles that reflect their personalities and philosophies about crafting. By examining their creations, you can gain insights into different approaches to design and construction. Look for tutorials, videos, or books that showcase their techniques, and consider how you might adapt their ideas to suit your own vision. Engaging with the work of others can push you to explore new techniques or rethink your design approach, leading to innovative outcomes in your projects. Another avenue for inspiration lies within nature itself. The organic shapes, textures, and colors found in the natural world can provide a rich source of ideas for your woodworking projects. Observing the way trees grow, how branches curve, or the intricate patterns of bark can inform your design choices and encourage you to incorporate natural elements into your work. For example, you might draw inspiration from the flowing lines of a river when designing a piece of furniture, allowing the natural forms of the landscape to influence your work. Furthermore, incorporating organic motifs or natural finishes can enhance the connection between your creations and the environment, resulting in pieces that feel harmonious and grounded. When considering your woodworking project, think about the story you want to tell through your work. Every piece of furniture has a narrative, whether it's the history of the wood itself, the design inspiration, or the purpose it serves. Reflecting on the stories behind your materials can inspire you to create pieces that resonate on a deeper level. For instance, you might choose reclaimed wood from an old barn, infusing your project with a sense of history and sustainability. By honoring the past and allowing it to influence your designs, you can create furniture that carries a narrative and fosters a connection to the environment and its history. Creating mood boards can also be an effective way to gather and visualize your inspiration. Collect images, textures, colors, and patterns that speak to you and represent the aesthetic you wish to achieve. This process allows you to see how different elements can work together and helps clarify your vision for the project. As you curate your mood board, pay attention to the themes that emerge. Whether it's a preference for minimalist designs, a love for rich textures, or an affinity for vibrant colors. This visual representation can serve as a guide throughout your woodworking journey, reminding you of your original inspiration and helping you stay focused on your goals. Engaging with woodworking communities, both online and offline, can also stimulate inspiration. Forums, social media groups, and local clubs provide platforms for sharing ideas, techniques, and experiences. By connecting with fellow woodworkers, you can gain insights into their processes and discover new approaches to design and craftsmanship. Participating in discussions and sharing your own work can foster a sense of camaraderie and encourage you to push your boundaries. You may find that others' projects spark ideas you hadn't considered, and this exchange can lead to innovative collaborations or new techniques that enhance your skills. Consider also the importance of functionality in your designs. While aesthetic appeal is crucial, the purpose of the furniture should not be overlooked. Reflect on how the pieces you create will be used within a living space and the needs they will fulfill. This consideration can inspire you to develop designs that are not only beautiful, but also practical and user-friendly. For instance, if you're designing a coffee table, think about the height, storage options, and how it will fit into the overall flow of the room. By prioritizing functionality alongside aesthetics, you can create pieces that enhance the comfort and usability of a home. Experimentation is key in woodworking, and allowing yourself the freedom to explore different techniques and styles can lead to unexpected inspiration. Don't be afraid to play with forms, joinery methods, and finishes to discover what resonates with you. For example, if you have a particular affinity for curves, experiment with bending wood or using laminations to create flowing shapes. Alternatively, if you are intrigued by mixed materials, consider combining wood with metal, glass, or fabric to create unique contrasts. This exploration can lead to creative breakthroughs and inspire new directions for your projects. As you embark on your woodworking journey, remember that inspiration can come from unexpected places. Engage with various forms of art, architecture, and design to broaden your perspective. Visit galleries, museums, or public spaces that showcase innovative uses of wood and other materials. The interplay of light, shadow, and form in these environments can inform your designs and inspire new ideas. Additionally, allowing yourself to step outside your comfort zone and explore different artistic expressions can lead to valuable insights and fresh perspectives on your woodworking projects. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked random wood furniture and decor ideas to inspire your next woodworking project. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.